tenses introduction. That is a mistake. It has to be nothing over there. Just see. Every verbs are basically the expression of. Okay, take it from there. Every verbs are basically the expression of do plus, does plus, and did plus. मैंने बोला ना how water is the combination of hydrogen and oxygen. लेकिन हम हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन सेपरेट नहीं दिखते, सिर्फ वाटर को दिखते. लाइक दैट एवरी वर्ब के अंदर शायद डू हो जाएगा और डस हो जाएगा और डिड हो जाएगा. डेफिनेटली ये 3 में एक जरूरी हो जाएगा एवरी वर्ब में. सो एवरी वर्ब इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ईदर डू और डस और डिड. Okay, look at the example. If I write walked, every verb in past tense, ध्यान से सुनो, it's very important. Every verb in past tense is a combination of did plus V1 of that verb. Okay, so walked can be split up and can be written as did plus walk. Walked, ऐसे याद करो, V2 फॉर्म स्प्लिट करने में did plus walk. हमेशा बच्चों ने ये मिस्टेक कमिट करता है, डिड के साथ भी वो वॉक्ड बोलते हैं. वो गलत है. क्यों गलत है? इधर देखो, डिड प्लस वॉक ऑलरेडी गिव्स वॉक्ड. सो उसके साथ और एक वॉक्ड का जरूरी नहीं है. डिड प्लस वॉक्ड नहीं बोलते. डिड प्लस वॉक ऑलरेडी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? वॉक्ड के जैसा है. नाउ लुक एट द वर्ड वॉक्स. अगर डस एस करते हैं तो which D word should come? Walks is equal to does plus walk, or does plus walk give walks. Walk बोलते हैं तो उसका अंदर क्या है? Do है. Okay, so walked word आप देखते हैं तो उसके पीछे अंदर क्या है? Did plus walk है. Walks देते हैं तो does plus walk है. सिर्फ एक walk देते हैं तो उसके अंदर already which auxiliary word is there? Do. I've given one more example. Runs, does plus run. Ran, did plus run. देखो, did plus V1 form will give V2. Did plus run will give ran. Now V1 run है तो do plus run. Can you understand? So V1 or present form में हमेशा D auxiliary verb do will be there. Past tense में D auxiliary verb did will be there. And S form of the verb में D auxiliary verb does will be there. So do plus any verb gives the V1. Did plus any verb will give the V2. Does plus any verb will give the S form of the verb. Am I clear enough? Please take this slide into your notebook fast. And kindly don't write the heading tenses introduction. Okay, this has to be cut. नहीं लिखना है. Okay. Write it fast. Every verbs are basically the expression of do plus dash is equal to dash. Does plus dash is equal to dash. Did plus dash is equal to dash. And example, you need to take it like that.
Ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, this is the exercise for you. Okay, I have given 10 words. Split the following words. So when I ask you to split the following words, just like how we have splitted this, oh, array, run, ran, runs, no? Just like do plus, dis plus, did plus, accordingly. So S आते हैं तो does plus V1, did आते हैं तो, I mean, past tense आते हैं तो did plus V2, did plus V1, just V1 आते हैं तो do plus V1. ऐसे split करो 8-10 words को. Spent, sang, swam, writes, found, quit, dreamt, consoled, flew, hides. I hope you are learning V1, V2, V3 every day. So sometimes V1 is needed while you splitting. So those who have learned, they will be knowing. Okay, spent, first example. How will you write it? Chaitanya, start writing. आपको एक्सरसाइज है बेटा. टू डस डिड फॉर्म में स्प्लिट करके लिखना है. कैसे लिखेंगे? ट्राई करके देखो.
Yes, ma'am. Over.
All the 10 over?
Yes, ma'am. Do does did only remaining part.
वेरी इजी है. टिप क्या है? अगर आप V2 में है तो गिवन वर्ड इमीडिएटली डिड से स्टार्ट करना है और V1 लिखना है.
Hello,
अगर
ma'am.
S वर्ड है तो डस से स्टार्ट करना है. यस, हु
Hello,
इज दिस?
ma'am. My name is Sai Mali.
ओके,
Ma'am, can you explain again what way I have to do? My network is so loose. That's why.
ओके. कैन यू सी द स्क्रीन बेटा?
Yes, yes,
डिड यू सी द स्क्रीन बिफोर?
yes.
इसके पहले का स्क्रीन भी देखा आपने?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So beta, based on that screen, I have given you this exercise. What you need to do? You need to split these verbs. हम splitting के बारे में अभी बोला. So a verb split करके देखो. Whether आपको समझ में आए ये देखने के लिए. So what we need to do? अगर एक past tense में एक verb देखते हैं तो immediately did से split करना है. Okay? Sai, are you
Excuse
with
me,
me?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, wait, I'm explaining. Whoever asked excuse me, just wait there. So did से past tense देखते हैं तो अब did से start करना है. अगर verb के साथ s देखते हैं तो end में s देते हैं तो does से start करना है. अगर V1 में आप एक verb देखते हैं तो do से start करना है. Okay, Sai? So does plus V1, did plus V1, do plus V1. Accordingly, you have to.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I missed last of I'm done with the exercise.
Ayush, I have not heard it clearly, and your audio is bringing so much of disturbance with that. So can you please chat it out?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Hope you have done. So may I hear some answers before going to this? All right. Prashot, can you give me the first answer?
Did plus spend.
Read it first. Word क्या है?
Spend.
Huh. Spend. So spent is past tense of spend. Okay, spend, spend, spend. All right. So how did you split it? Bolo Prajyo.
Did plus spend.
Did plus spend. And वो spend का spelling बोलो बेटा एक बार.
Ma'am.
वो spend का spelling बोलो.
Yes, P-E-N-D.
हाँ, very good. Did plus spend, S-P-E-N-T. I'll give it through chat for those who have confusion. So spend is equal to, spend is what form? V2 form hai. Spend is V2 form. So spend can be did plus S-P-E-N-D hai uska V1. Hope you have seen the answer in the chat. Those who have made it wrong, correct it. Second question, Ashutosh.
Did sing.
हाँ, did plus
Did sing.
S-I-N-G, sing. Okay, very good. Sang is the past tense. So sang can be split up and write into did plus sing. Third one, Chaitanya. Chaitanya Aire. Chaitanya slept off. Rishikesh Tupe, what happened to your video today? Rishikesh Tupe, third one bolo beta. The third word is swam. Swam is what? Who can say the answer? Nobody knows? Swam is the past tense of which word?
Swim.
Yeah, so why can't you give the answer? Chaitanya or Rishikesh Tupe. How will you split swam? Rameshwar,
Did plus swim.
did plus swim gives you swam. Okay, next answer, Ayush. It's writes. Very good. Ayush has given me in chat, does plus write. Next answer. Those whose mics are not proper, they can give it to me in chat. Found. What is the answer of found? Ashutosh?
Did find. Did plus
Did
find.
plus find is found. Very good. Others who are sitting very quietly in class, shall I remove you all? You're not responding. If your audios are not working, videos are working, you can always respond through chat. You're not even doing that. And why are you here sitting in the class? Tell me ninth one. Randomly, I'm asking. Ninth one. Rishikesh Tupe, what happened to your camera today? And your audio? Rishikesh Kokate, tell me ninth one answer, beta.
Ma'am, can you repeat the word?
Ninth one. You didn't see the screen, beta.
Ma'am,
flu.
I have a network problem now, so I am seeing it blurred.
Okay. It's flew beta, F-L-E-W. Flew, F-L-E-W.
Ma'am, fly plus did.
Did plus fly gives you flew. Very good. Okay. Yeah. So you all know how to split the verb. So this is how it goes. S aate hai to does plus that V1. Did aate hai to, I mean, past tense aate hai to did plus V1. Normal present tense hai to do plus V1. So always remember that, just like how water has been, hidden with hydrogen and oxygen, every verb in itself has do, does, or did, no matter what. Okay. Hope it's clear, that part. Again, we will go to the remaining part of the slide. Question tag. Over to screen sharing. Please pay attention. Okay, can you see the screen? Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Kokate, is it still blurred for you, beta? Rishikesh, Kokate?
Ma'am, sometimes because here
Can you see the screen now? I think I have lost him. Connection. Fine. All the others, look at the screen. The word tag means attach or connect. You will be very well knowing that tagging your friends in the social media, Facebook, pe, Instagram, mein, you will tag your friends. So what do you mean by tag basically? Tag, it's an attachment or a connection is known as tag. Okay. Tagged along means attached karke. That's the meaning of tag. एक एग्जाम्पल देखो इधर क्वेश्चन टैग का he is walking to school every day. I know most of you knows this, but those who doesn't have any idea about question tag का भी ये listen करो, you will understand it very well. He is walking to school every day and इसका tag है isn't he. Now what is basically tag? हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं तो for example some sentences हम और इम्पोर्टेंस करके बोलने हैं तो हम ऐसे बोलेंगे आज आई मीन आपने कल स्कूल नहीं गया है ना. सो दिस है ना है क्या. सो दिस है ना है क्या. व्हाई डू वी यूज सच थिंग्स. एक सेंटेंस और स्टेटमेंट बोलने के बाद वी विल है ना और है क्या. दीज है ना है क्या दीज फ्रेजेस व्हाई डू वी यूज. कब यूज करेंगे. और वो सेंटेंस और स्टेटमेंट हमने बोला ना उनको और ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस शो करने के लिए हम एक है ना है क्या. So this है ना है क्या in English is known as question tag. As simple as that. This is a simple tip for those who don't understand anything for them. Okay. So है ना है क्या हम हिंदी सेंटेंस के बाद some सेंटेंस के बाद हम यूज करेंगे. So ऐसे इंग्लिश में है ना है क्या यूज करने से हम क्वेश्चन टैग यूज करेंगे. सो क्वेश्चन टैग किधर यूज करेंगे. एक सेंटेंस बोलने के बाद एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस में हम एक टेल जैसे यूज करेंगे. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज टेल टैग. टेल किधर होता है एनिमल्स का एंड. सो दिस इज लाइक अ टेल. So tail is something which gives even more importance to the same statement that we have said. Now, how will you write the tail? There are 4 important steps. Just closely observe the steps. It would be very easy for you if you follow these steps. आपको एक statement और question मिला. Question tag लिखना है. What is the first step you need to do? Look out for the auxiliary or modal auxiliary verb in that sentence. वो sentence में कुछ auxiliary verb है क्या, modal auxiliary verb है क्या, वो पहले देखना है. ये देखो he is walking to school every day. उधर तक है क्वेश्चन. He is walking to school every day. So first step क्या है. Look out for the auxiliary or modal auxiliary. वो sentence में auxiliary verb क्या है आशुतोष. He is walking to school में main
Is.
verb है walking. Auxiliary verb क्या है.
Is.
Very good. So उस sentence में auxiliary verb अगर can, will, may, might ऐसे वगैरह है तो modal auxiliary verb. ऐसे कुछ वर्ड्स है क्या वो सेंटेंस में वो पहले देखना है. हमने देखा इधर आशुतोष ने बोला is that is correct. अगर अभी सेकंड स्टेप में क्या करना है. if it's positive मतलब वो auxiliary verb अगर positive है तो positive मतलब क्या है इसके साथ not नहीं है तो negative मतलब क्या है इसके साथ not है. So if it's positive add not with it and if it's negative take out the note. हाँ ये देखो अगर सेंटेंस का वो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब के साथ और ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब के अनुसार कुछ नॉट वगैरह नेगेटिव मीनिंग के लिए कुछ नॉट वगैरह है सेंटेंस में. देखो इधर कुछ नॉट वगैरह है क्या. ही इज वॉकिंग टू स्कूल में कैन यू एनीबडी सी एनी नोट इन दैट सेंटेंस. ही इज वॉकिंग टू स्कूल में नो.
No.
या सो इफ इट्स पॉजिटिव सो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. ऐसा नॉट नहीं है तो क्या करना है जाके क्वेश्चन टैग में एक नोट ऐड करना है. अगर he is not walking to school है तो if the question was he is not walking to school, वो not निकालना है. So इतना सिंपल है. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब पहले देखना है. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब के साथ नॉट है, टैग से नॉट निकालना है. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब के साथ नॉट नहीं है क्वेश्चन में, टैग के साथ नॉट ऐड करना है. So what did I do here? This is the question, I mean auxiliary verb. इधर not नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने tag में आप देखो isn't he, n apostrophe t is the short form of note. All those who don't understand, n apostrophe t is the short form of note. N apostrophe t is the short form of note. So isn't he. Now, what is the next step? Put a comma after the sentence. Put a comma after the sentence and start the tag in small letters and end it with a question mark. ये देखो, same thing I have done here. Question tag कैसे लिखना है? Usually हम answers कैसे लिखेंगे? Questions लिखने के बाद next line में answer. लेकिन question tag ऐसा नहीं लिखना है. इसका ये format strictly follow करना है. आप आपके हिसाब से question tag लिखते तो 0 marks मिल जाएगा. Okay? You have to write it along with the question. कैसे? Everyday के बाद अगर full stop है तो वो change करके उधर क्या डालना है? Question end करने के बाद एक comma डालना है. फिर question tag start करना है. वो start करने में आप देखो उसका initial letter capital letter में या small letter में? Small letter में. So small letter में हमारे auxiliary verb का not form लिखा. उसके बाद हमने क्या add किया? एक pronoun according to the subject. Subject से अनुसार pronoun add किया. There he is, so we have done he itself, but all the things starting with small letters, not capital letters. And अंत में सबसे important, in the end there has to be question mark. अगर question tag question mark के बिना लिखते हैं तो you will get 0 marks. So simple है, लेकिन 2-3 steps बहुत जरूरी है. एक कॉमा इधर बहुत जरूरी है, एक क्वेश्चन मार्क इधर बहुत जरूरी है, इधर किसी भी कैपिटल लेटर्स ना होना है, and thus verb should be according to the auxiliary verb here. Okay, once again you go through all the steps. Look out for the auxiliary verb. First step, Nakul, don't do anything, I will remove you from class. Look out for the auxiliary or modal auxiliary verb. If it's positive, add note, and if it's negative, take out the note. Put a comma after the sentence and start the tag in small letters and end it with a question mark. Very important. Use the pronoun in the tag according to the subject, like he, she, it, they. Question tag वो auxiliary verb लिखने के बाद pronoun लिखना है किसके अनुसार? Subject के अनुसार. There is one more thing. If auxiliary verbs are not directly given, हाँ इसलिए हमने splitting अभी सिखाया. Split the verb and take out the auxiliary verb and follow the same steps. ये देखो. Look at these examples. He walks to school every day. इधर हमको direct कुछ auxiliary verb is, was, are, has, have, had, do, does, did ऐसा वगैरह है क्या? ये second example में he walks to school every day. ऋषिकेश तू पे is there any direct
No, ma'am.
auxiliary verb? No. So अगर direct auxiliary verb नहीं है तो हाँ question wrong है, ऐसे बोल के घर नहीं जाना है. You have to look at the verb. वो verb को हम split करेंगे. इधर walks है, walks हम कैसे split करेंगे? आप ही अभी हमें
Does plus walk.
Very good. Does plus walk. So splitting के बाद हमको क्या मिला इधर? Auxiliary verb मिला. So बाकी same step ही follow करना है. वो auxiliary verb को comma के साथ उधर डालना है. अगर question में not है क्या? No not. So question में not नहीं है, इसलिए question tag के साथ doesn't, does not का short form है doesn't, और subject क्या है? He डाला और question mark भी डाला. Okay, go through it and write it fast. There are some special cases. These are the normal rules. अभी 2-3 cases है, ये normal rules नहीं follow करने वाला है, वो भी हम next slide में देखेंगे. पहले ये finish करो जल्दी. Let me know once you're finished writing.
Yes, ma'am, my writing is on now. So you can.
What beta? Finish writing? Rishikesh Kokate, did you finish writing?
From last example.
Okay, go ahead.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. What about you, Ashutosh? Done?
Done, ma'am.
Chaitanya?
Done, ma'am. Now you can.
Okay. All right. Now let's move on to the special cases. Okay, I told you these are the normal rules. लेकिन special cases मतलब क्या है? ये normal rules उनको नहीं है. मतलब वो ये normal rules नहीं follow करेंगे. उनके लिए अलग rules है, special cases. Okay? देखेंगे वो क्या क्या है. That is, letters. The question tag for the sentence beginning with letters will always be shall we. Okay? Any sentences beginning, अगर आप एक sentence देखेंगे, उनका question tag बनाना है, लेकिन वो sentence letters से begin किया है, तो बाकी कुछ rules के बारे में मत सोच करो, directly you can go and write shall we. All right? You don't have to think about any rules that we have learned in the previous line. Not nahi add karna hai, not nahi nikalna hai, split nahi karna hai, kuch nahi karna hai. Don't even look at the auxiliary verb. बाकी कुछ steps उधर follow नहीं करना है. Let us है अगर sentence के पहले blindly you can go and write the question tag as shall we. Okay, so let us आते हैं तो shall we. ऐसे एक rule जैसे आप by heart करो. Let us आते हैं तो question tag will be shall we. Let us sing, shall we? Okay, that is the question tag of let us. Coming to the next thing. If imperative sentences comes and you have to write its question tag. Now, imperative sentences मतलब क्या है? Who knows imperative sentences? Rishikesh Kukate? What do you mean by imperative sentences, beta?
Ma'am, don't know.
You don't know. Rishikesh Chupe?
Ma'am, don't know.
Okay, my goodness.
May I speak?
11th standard student को imperative sentences नहीं आता है. Fine. आज learn करो, कभी नहीं भूलना है.
Ma'am, may
I
I,
know some
Rameshwar?
हाँ,
Ordering.
हाँ, yes. All right, some people knows. Now, those who doesn't know, listen to it. Imperative sentences are sentences in English which are given as orders, request, commands. बेटा एक short sentence है ना, request और commands जैसे. Like example, close the door, write it fast, open the door, shut your eyes, go fast, stand up, sit down. These all kind of commands. Request. Please give me your pen. Okay, these kind of request and it is not like an assertive sentence. Okay, you have to shut the door. So that is like an assertive sentence, but imperative sentences are short sentences like a command or request. Such sentences are known as imperative sentence. So imperative sentences के लिए question tag बनाने तो भी हम normal rules नहीं apply करेंगे. हम दो question tag उनके लिए fixed है. किनके लिए? ये imperative sentence के लिए. Will you or want you? Will you is more polite. See, there is still, not a concrete evidence like you have to use will you all the time, you have to use want you. It depends on the context. So most of the cases में will you मिलेगा. Okay, want you we will use in special cases. दोनों एग्जाम में लिख कर दे तो भी you will get marks. So इतना ही याद करना है. अगर imperatives आते हैं तो the question tag should be will you or want you. अगर sentences starting with letters आते हैं तो the question tag will be shall we all the time. So the पहले वाला slide का rules वगैरह ये दोनों के लिए applicable नहीं है. So these are the special cases in question tag. So if you know these special cases, along with your question tag will be pakka and you will be chance in question tag. So take it down fast. Okay, is the screen back? In between, I think it has connection problem के वजह से must have gone. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please take it down fast. After that, based on all this, we are going to do a wonderful exercise and I hope you all should make it correct.
None done.
Okay. Let's wait for a few more minutes. Let others also write.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, but okay, everybody done? Shall I move to the next slide, which is the exercise?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ready. I think it got stuck. Will come again. Yes. Okay, get ready for the questions. Okay. Add question tag for the following. So there are 7 questions based on what we have learned. Don't make any mistake. Just first search out for auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb nahi hai to verb split karo. Positive hai to not add karo. Negative hai to not nikalo. कॉमा डालने के लिए मत, you don't have to forget to put comma, and question tag should never be started with capital letters. comma डालो, small letter डालो, end में question mark डालो, ये सब कभी नहीं भूलना है. And write the answers fast.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, good. Past 2 minutes. Let others also complete.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, shall we start discussing the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll ask one by one. Okay. Those who have finished, you can raise your virtual hands. So first question, Prajyot, can you please read the question and say the tag of the first question? Prajyot. Prajyot, can you hear me? Prajyot. Prajyot not responding. Jaydeep. Jaydeep, can you say the first answer? Jaydeep Khurape.
Yes, ma'am. They were going for party, weren't they?
Very good. They were going for party. Where was the auxiliary verb? Uske saath not add kiya. Weren't. The subject is they. Excellent, Jaydeep. Very good. Second answer. Kokate.
Yes, ma'am. She likes her new car, doesn't she?
Very good. Doesn't she? Likes is does plus like. Very good. You have splitted it up. And not nahi hai, so doesn't add karke subject bhi dala she. Wonderful. Rishikesh Tupe, third answer.
Ma'am, she cannot go to hospital. Can she? Can he?
He cannot. He है ना बेटा. He cannot go to hospital.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
he? Yes, very good. उधर auxiliary verb direct दिया है, modal है. Okay. So उसके साथ एक not है. So not निकाल के subject डालना है. Can he? And hope you all are putting the question mark at the end. डाला है ना question mark?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the commas in between and small letters से start किया वो वगैरह correct है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Nakul, say the answer. Question number 4. Nakul, are you there? Fine. Ashutosh,
They dreamt of a new life together, didn't they?
they dreamt of a, beta, it's pronounced as dreamt. Okay. They
Okay.
dreamt of a life together. Dreamt is past tense. So did plus dream is dreamt. So did and isme not nahi hai, so did not. So didn't they? Did not, short form is didn't nahi hai, didn't. We'll pronounce it as didn't. Didn't they? Very good. D-I-D-N apostrophe T, they. Good job, Ashutosh. Next answer, Chaitanya. Chaitanya. Whenever I ask question, he says network problem. Ayush Srivastav.
Yes, ma'am.
Next answer bolo beta.
Yes, ma'am. She danced beautifully, didn't she?
Oh my God, I didn't hear it. Something is terribly wrong with your audio. एक और बार बोलो. Unmute करके बोलो बेटा. हाँ, okay. He has typed it. She danced beautifully, didn't she? Okay, she danced beautifully, didn't she? बेटा, hope you have put the comma. इधर chat में comma नहीं आया, लेकिन real answer में comma. Yes. Okay, fine. Very good. Next answer. Only the people who have said the answer again and again saying answer. What about the other? Huh? Himanshu. Himanshu. Okay, Jaydeep Khurape, you say it better.
Open the door, will you?
Very good. Open the door, will you? Since it's a imperative sentence, it is will you. Last, I think next one, or is it the last? Kokate. Kokate.
Let us
Ah.
go for a party, shall
Hmm.
we?
Okay, shall be. Very good. Is this the last question, Kokate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Very good. Good job. I think most of you have got the answers right. So hope you all have become champs in question tag. Am I right? Everybody understood what question tag is? Everybody has become champs in question tag. Don't make any more mistake in question tag. And also never forget how to split a verb. Both are very important. So hopefully we will see you tomorrow with another lesson. Till then, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.